Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we are going to add some animations, so when the round changes it will show some animation so it looks a little bit better, and also when our clip goes like to the low ammo or to the no ammo, we'll make so our clip ammo will, the value or the number will go to the red or whatever color you want to set it. So yeah, let's get started. First, we actually want to go to our HUD, so player HUD. Let's open it. Okay, and now what we want to do here, we want to go to our event graph, and we want to go to here, ammo set text function, and we want to move all these a little bit further, like this. Okay, and now what we want to do here, we want to get we actually don't have it here, so we have to go to the designer first. We want to click this clip ammo clip, and we want to make it to variable like that. Now let's go back to the event graph. Now we can find the ammo clip here, and we want to get it, and we want to set color and opacity. This one, let's connect it to here. Okay. And yeah, here we want to split this, and what we want to, let's actually move this even further like that. And now from here, from the color, we want to get a select node, so this one, and we want to get the selection variable, so this one, and let's connect it to here. Actually, let's move it to here. Okay, so what we want to do here, so when the already full, then we want to set it to white. Okay, and also on the empty, that's when we reset the text, then we want to set it to the white also. So these are the ones that when our ammo is not low or empty. Okay, and here what we want to do, I think I want to set it to, let's make it red. If I remember correctly, I want to set this green to 0.035 and also this blue to 0.035. So it's a little bit off from the full red. Now I want to copy this. Okay, and also here to the no ammo, I want to paste it like that. So now we have those. Now what I want to do, I want to go to the designer, and I want to go to the no or low ammo. Okay, and now here I want to click this, and I want to set these to 0.1, 0.1, also here at the end, let's set it to 0.1 and 0.1, so it's a little bit like brighter now. Okay, let's compile and save. Now we can try. So now when we shoot, you can see when our clip goes to low ammo, it will turn red, and it will stay red. And when we reload, it will go back to white. And also, if you want, you can here set low ammo to be like a little bit lighter, like maybe like this. I will just show you. You don't have to do this, but now it looks like this. So it goes like that, and yeah, but I actually think I want to set it the same way on the boat. I think in most Call of Duties it's like this. But okay, you can set it however you want. And now one thing I wanted to do here, I want to go to the designer, and I think that I will actually show you when this press E to open door is pretty close to that crosshair, and also that low ammo text is so low there. I think those should be like switched and moved a little bit like lower. Okay, let's do that. So what I mean is Actually, first we have this power up text slot. I want to change this place a little bit also, because I don't think this looks good here. So what I want to do, I want to anchor it to the top, and I want to yeah, I want to set this. So what I'm actually, oh shit, sorry, I'm on the plus screen. So what I want to do, I want to click this. So power up text slot. Okay, now I will anchor it to the top, and I will make this position to 150. So it's now there. So now we have more space here. And now what I want to do here, at the bottom, I want to actually set this interaction slot. I want to set this interaction slot to a little bit lower. So, oh, sorry, I'm still a little bit sick, so I'm not like, yeah, my head is not like working perfectly. But yeah, interaction slot. I want to move this to the. I will zero this Y alignment and move position Y to 235. I think that was good value. Yeah, it's there. And now this one, this ammo text slot. And what I want to set here, I think it was 150. I think it actually is there already. So let's go and try how it looks. Let's save all. Okay. Let's see. So when I low ammo, I think it's better there, closer to the crosshair. Now this is here at the bottom, and also if we get some those, you can see they are all pretty much aligned correctly. Okay, I think it looks a lot better. Now let's add the round change animation. So let's save all. Now let's go back to the player HUD. And here, what we want to do, we want to actually find our round number like this, and we want to create a new animation. Let's call this round change anim, for example, like that. Now let's open it, and now we have this clicked. Want to add track round number. Okay, let's add a color and opacity track. And now what we want to do here at the start, we want to set want to actually click here first, so it adds all the. I don't know why it doesn't do it, but yeah, we want to set this screen to 0.035 to 0.035. Okay, like that. And now I want to go to the 1 second mark, and I want to set this all to 1. Like that. And now I will click from here. Okay. And now I want to go to the 2 second mark. I want to click this also. And now to the 3 second mark. And now what I want to do, I want to change alpha to 0, nothing else. Okay. And now to the 4 mark. Same thing. Let's click maybe this, it doesn't matter. And 5 second mark. Let's change this back to 1. And let's click that. Now to the 6 second mark, we want to also click it like that. And 7 second mark, what we want to do here, click this and change this screen to 0.35. Also this to 0.035, like this. So it looks like this. Now, if we play the animation, you can see how it looks. So, and now it will come back and turn to red. Okay, that's the round change animation that we're going to use. And you can obviously make it look however you want, but this is the way that I made it look. Now what we want to also do here, we want to add another track to here. And what we want to do, we want to add a event trigger track like this. And now we want to go to the 3.5. I think that's pretty good for me. Yeah, let's go to 3.5 there. Now we want to add a event there. Now let's double click it. It takes us to here. Now we have this open. We don't have to do anything here yet. Now let's compile and save. And also what we want to do here, let's go to the designer. Let's make this, let's click this color and opacity, and let's make this alpha 0 when the game starts. Okay, like that. Compile and save. Compile and save. Now we want to go to our GM Zombies blueprint class, so to our game mode. Let's go to the event graph, and here's the increase round custom event. We want to add some space here, so let's move this further here, like that. And now let's move all these more up, and let's stretch this a little bit, like that. Now let's move this up, and now we are ready to create that function or custom event. And now what we want to do here, let's go here after this get all widgets of class, and here this increased round. Let's double click it like that, and we can actually delete this whole function like that. We don't need it. Okay, let's compile and save. Now let's go back to the designer, and here we have this text. We have created this binding here. Let's remove binding like that. Okay, now let's go to the graph, and we can get text 0. So get text 0, this binding. We can delete this binding completely. So, like, let's delete it. Okay, so now compile and save. Now let's go back to the GM Zombies, and let's start creating that function. First, what we want to do, let's actually delete that from there. Now let's go here. After that, we add the round number, or add 1 to increase the round number. What we want to do, we want to add a delay node. So delay, like this. And now we want to promote this delay to a variable. This variable, let's call it start time. And now, where we want to our what we want our start time to be is, for example, let's make it 3, because I will show you. You don't have to go here, but so when the game starts, we don't want it to do this, because this is the start part is the where we are like ending the round, you know. So we want it to start from 3 seconds, like there. Okay, and like that. So when the game starts, it will start from here. Okay, so let's go back to here. Let's set it to 3, like that. And now, after that, we want to delete this time between round thing here. After that, we want to connect this delay to get all widgets of class. And now what we want to do here, we want to get our round number. Where can we? Round number, yeah. And get it to here. And now we want to get from here round number. Set round number like this. Okay. And now we want to set it. Okay, like that. And what we want to do now is we want to get from here also and play animation. Yeah, we can actually delete this start round for now. Let's move this to here. Let's add some reroutes. So to here, let's align this. Okay, now from here we want to get the round change animation like this. Let's get it to here because we will have to move it to here, or like get from it to here also. But let's first connect it to the animation like that. And now to the start time, we want to connect that start time variable like that. Now let's compile and actually save all just to be sure. Yep. Now after this, what to get from this, we want to get end time. And we want to move it to here. I want to add one more reroute to here. And now from here we want to get the minus node. And we want to get the start time. So we want to, I will tell you soon what this does. And now from this value we want to delay. Get from here. Okay. And after this we want to set the start time to be 0. Like that. Compile and save all once more. And now we can call the start round function. And so I'll tell you what this all does. So first we set all these things. So we set this power up start spawn it in round to 0 and set the round health and add 1 to the round number of the game mode. And after that we have the start time that we have set to the 3 seconds on the when the game starts. So when the game starts, it will start the animation from the, or it will first delay the 3 seconds and then it will play the animation, or actually first it will set this round number from game mode to the player HUD also. It will set it, okay, like that. Yeah, but it will not update to the this value because we haven't binded it. Okay, so then we will have to play the animation. It will start from the 3 seconds, so it will not play the start part. And after that, it will get the time of it, so 7 seconds, and we will delete 3 seconds from it. So the delay should be 4 seconds. So it's the delay that basically how long this plays. And then we will set this to start time to 0. So later on, in the next rounds, this delay doesn't do anything. And also this will start from the 0 and this will delay for 7 seconds. So it will basically play the whole animation when the round changes. Only when the game starts, it will play the part of the animation. And it will wait the time that it will skip here. So yeah. Okay, and now it will we will start the round. But now we will have to do one thing here on the player HUD. So let's go to the round change anim, and here on the event track, we want to click this. We want here to get this round number. We want to set text. Text like that. What we want to set here, we want to get this round number that we have set on the other function, and we want to just connect it to here, like this. So it will update it to the number at this part here, where this is like invisible. So it will update it now, and then it will start to come back. Okay. Now let's try and see how it looks. So now it's opaque, I don't know how to say it. And now it goes to 1 and it will turn to red. So now the round starts. So let's play one round and let's see. Okay. So now it will go back to white, it will fade away, it will come back as 2 and go to the red. So now second round. And obviously you can make this animation however you want, and we will make it look a lot better later on, but now I think it works pretty nicely. And also now we have this. You can see our ammos are red. And yeah, I think these are looking pretty good. There's some little things, but it makes the game look and feel a lot better. Okay, yeah. And I will quickly tell you if you want to adjust the animation and make it look how you want. So you can obviously set here whatever. You can make it 20 seconds, 10 seconds. You can make this look however you want. But you want to set this mark on the part where you fade it away or where you want the number to change. Yeah. And also you want to get that time. So like maybe if it's like for me it's 3.5. Is if it's like 5 seconds for you, you want to get like a little bit before that, like half seconds before that, and you want to remember that time, and also only thing you want to do here. You want to set the start time default value to that time. So then it will work as we want. So you can adjust it however you want. Okay, yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series. And also, if you want to get the project files for this project, they are available on my Patreon for the VIP supporters. So, yeah, you can check that out if you want. Yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.